In this video, you'll learn how to earn NTRN coin on Binance Launchpool. This process will guide you through accessing the Launchpool, staking your tokens, and tracking your rewards efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once the page loads, locate and click on the login button, typically found at the top right corner. Enter your credentials to access your account. If prompted, complete any verification steps to ensure your account is fully verified. This verification is essential for participating in the staking process. After successfully logging in, look for the main menu on the homepage. From this menu, find and select the Launchpool option. This section will display various staking pools available at that time. Identify the NTRN staking pool if it is currently active. Before proceeding, review the reward duration and pool rules carefully. Understanding these details is crucial, as your rewards will depend on the amount you stake. Next, click on the NTRN staking pool to enter its details. Here, you will see the option to stake your tokens. Select the amount of BNB or another supported token that you wish to stake. Before finalizing your stake, make sure to read and confirm the staking terms. Once you are satisfied, click on the stake button to submit your staking request. After this action, rewards will begin to accumulate automatically based on your stake. To track your earnings, return to the Launchpool dashboard. Here, you can view your current staking balance and any rewards earned. If the platform requires manual claiming of rewards, look for the harvest button to collect your NTRN tokens. After harvesting, navigate to your spot wallet to confirm that the NTRN tokens are credited. Keep in mind that rewards are typically credited on a daily basis, allowing you to monitor your earnings regularly. Finally, decide whether to hold your NTRN tokens for potential future value or trade them immediately based on market conditions. It is advisable to save records of your staking activities and rewards for your personal tracking. This practice will help you manage your investments effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.